Green, green, green. Okay, here comes your first time lap. One more lap. Checkered flag, checkered flag. The estimated strength of field is 1,656. A lot of opportunities today. Head down. Pick your battle. Half the field is on the grid.
Good luck, everyone.
5 cars left to grid.
Yeah, good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everybody.
Still waiting on 2 cars to grid. One to go, next time by. Line up on the inside. Pit road is closed right now. Catch the 19 car. Get ready, going green. The pace car is off, be ready. Green flag, green flag. Outside, go high. Still there, hold your line. Still there. Outside is clear. Outside. Keep low. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Keep low. Keep low. Go low.
On the line are you guys holding?
Clear outside.
Check up, check up, check up.
Number 4, maybe finding races for the week. That was crazy.
1. Go low. Clear high.
You saw me up there. What the fuck are you coming up there for, dude? I'm on the wall. Hey, when you crash, hold your brakes. Fuck.
Car outside. Still there. Keep low. Stay low. Outside is clear. Car outside. Outside is clear. Outside. Still there. New fast flat for you. Still there.
It's only lap 4, man.
Car in speed 10. Just set the fastest lap. 47.495. Clear high. Outside. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Clear. Outside. Outside is clear. Car outside. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Still there, hold your line. Still there. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Outside, clear. Outside.
There's someone down here, bud.
Keep low. Still there, hold your line. Keep low. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Keep low. Just set your fastest lap for session. Clear outside if you want it. Car outside. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Outside is clear.
Pretty ballsy.
If you want to stay high, just stay high, don't move, please.
Car outside.
When he went up into the wall, I thought he was taking all you guys out.
Outside clear. Outside. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Stay low.
If you guys leave inside open, I'm taking it. So don't get upset because I'm going where you're not.
85. Stay low, there is a car on
There
the
was
high
barely
side.
any space there, and you actually had contact for it.
Still there.
I got no X, and the space is open, and I took it. Hold the line then.
The car in speed 16. Just set the fastest lap.
Go ahead, take it again.
0.465. Keep low.
I'll get it, don't you worry.
Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Still there, hold your line. Keep low.
15 job, awesome tailgate.
The car in speed 11. Just set the fastest lap. 47.186. Go low. You're on the bottom, 20 wide. Hold your line. Car outside, 2 wide. Stay low, there is a car on the high side. Clear outside if you want it. Car outside. Keep low. Still there, hold your line. Clear up top. And you go, this time back. Wrecking in turn 1, outside. Outside.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Car inside.
Sorry, it's their 88 car, or 88 truck.
Car
My fault.
inside. Wrecking in turn 2. Stay high. Still there. Clear.
I don't know he's there.
Stay high, Greg. Attaboy.
Side, side.
Yes, sir. Just driving in front of God back there. Sorry to be in the way.
Clear.
Ah, you did well there. I appreciate it.
Clear.
I think I might need a dude wipe there.
Clear. Braking on the back stretch. Inside. Stay high.
Seven, what was that?
Who the fuck was that, bro? What the fuck?
Car outside.
Seven
Still
just,
there.
seven just hit the, like... 10, you're clear, drop 14, you're
Clear
clear.
outside if you want it.
You said 17? You said that was 17?
You're in fifth.
No, it was the 7.
Alright.
Well, I'm at 10x now, so my safety rate's going down the shitter again. And away.
Oh no, I could be completely wrong and I could be in the wrong, but I swear someone just grabbed my back end and almost spun my shit.
No, I was looking in my mirror the entire time. I was looking in the mirror when that happened. It was definitely the 7's fault.
It was scary. Like, but I get hit in the back and somehow I have damage on my front end.
Your car looks fine. No damage to report.
You did not need to do that, 18. I was holding my line.
Yeah, you're a last car sitting in the bottom of the apron where the line is. Fuck off.
6.
You got a point.
I'm not a lap down. I'm on the lead lap. I was spit out of the lead pack due to some idiot in the lead pack.
Sorry if I bumped you 21. I was trying to get away from that weirdo.
Oh, good. I don't think you did.
If you're in the front pack, we can battle, but if you're a lap car, you should not be sitting in the bottom of the apron where everybody goes.
That's why I signed up for Draft Master. Those in-race entertainments.
To go. We are where we expected to be.
I know, right? Hey, 21, if you go, I'll push with you. Have faith with it. Oh, lap car is making moves. Let's go.
Once again, not a lap down. I am on the lead lap. I was just spit out the lead pack.
You're the real MVP, sir.
I'm going inside because I know one of you assholes will run me over. Happened last race. I don't mean to call you assholes, just one of you.
No, everybody knows what you mean. That's fair.
I wouldn't fight for this. I just want to connect 63 iRatings.
Position.
But I guess the other people has the mileage.
Bring in the tri-oval.
Whoa.
Stay low. There is a car on the high
Wait,
side.
but there's not even a wreck.
Clear.
Remember, 3 laps to go. Still 3 laps to go.
The car in P.
Wait, I got no damage. I can't be leading a line. Sorry, 9. I just screwed you over for no reason.
6, 4.
You're good, man. You ain't bothered me none at all, dude. You're fine.
Leaders are catching up to me. Where do you want me to go?
Go high.
Gotcha. I'm gonna just pit the guy out of the way.
Left to go.
I have no
Here we
chance.
go.
Let's go 18.
Car outside. The next car's the leader. Still
I'm
there.
sorry, I'm
Hold the
sorry.
line. Clear high.
You're good, 17.
White flag.
What
white
happened?
flag.
Come on, guys.
Sorry for that big
Now
old
we
bump,
good.
17. I was trying to slow as much as I could.
Fuck, 21, sorry, lost it.
6 and 14, I'll stay behind you guys.
Yeah, fucking try.
9, lap car. Stop bumping the fucking leaders, dickhead.
Hush. Nothing like being in the fucking lead pack for the whole entire race, and then you guys can't fucking take a corner, you take me out.
Slow car down low.
What the hell?
Wrecking in the tri-oval.
Well, good race.
Checkered flag. Checkered flag.
Well, good race.
Nice run. Solid
Was
work.
decent until we spun first place, though. That's kind of crazy.
Wrecking on the front stretch.
Stopping on the grid is one hell of a place to stop. Now I have 8x.
Yeah, you gave me a 4 though. Cost you start finish.
Pit box in. 10. 5. Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in. 3, 2, 1. Right here.
Well, another 81 iRating. And I would like to see what happened. Whoa. He lost it on himself. Is it? Yeah, he lost it on himself. Oof.
13 fucked up the first corner on lap 9. Right.
And this guy spun this guy around. Oh. I don't think he's hitting the brakes. He's still accelerating. At least lift, man. Look at your speed. Right, you're still accelerating here. You hit the brake. Too late. 4x. Ah, this guy going down while the other guy's still there. And the lead pack comes through. This guy just hit the wall by itself. Same thing here. He got pushed by the other guy. And that's...
And then 7 pitted me on 17.
Yeah, they had a touch. And this guy just... hit me on the wall, but I'm fine. I got no damage. And I didn't know that 7 is still there. I moved down. I scared 7 a little bit, but I didn't hit him. And I lived to let 7 go. Because there's no point side by side. Yeah. And the big one. Oh, and this one. 7 touched him, and all hell broke loose. Oop. Yeah, 7 car is really... I almost hit the 7 car here, but I did hit him a little bit, but it's not crazy. Okay. Okay, that's it. So yeah, after what are you doing? Oh. Okay, so after a full season of Draft Master, I gained how many iRating? How much iRating? 300, 400. Yeah, so I think Draft Master is just a risk management. You don't take too much risk. Just like all the racing, actually, you don't take too much risk until towards the end of the race, and even that, the crash avoidance and the idiot identification is very, very important. Just keep yourself clean. You're gonna finish in the front, just like me. I didn't fight for anything. I just pick up the pieces. All right, thanks guys, and have a wonderful day.